For example, you could use hashtags like small business, it has 40 billion views, business check, it has 1.7 billion views, business owner, 1 billion views, and hustle check, 430 million views. Using hashtags will help you appear in the Users For You page and get noticed much faster, thanks to TikTok's algorithms. Mix different hashtags as long as they relate to e-commerce business and your specific niche. Okay, now let's motivate our clients to make a purchase. You can put your call to action in the video or somewhere in the description like here or here. The bottom line is that you need a call to action. You need to encourage the viewer to take an action you want them to take. Buy now, learn more, all that good stuff. It's a universal marketing tip that works on any platform and in any case. Last but not least, interact with your customers. Check the small businesses TikTok. They answer almost all the comments, and no wonder they have a lot of views and comments under their videos. Answer the comments, message other users, keep a good relationship with your audience. Since TikTok is all about authenticity, showing your brand's personality gives a lot. If you're ready to show yourself on the video, tell some facts about you and your team, if you have them, who you are, what your goals are, and so on. Just be true and positive with users, and they will make your brand skyrocket. It will build you up as a trustworthy and authentic brand and make people want your products. If you're not ready to appear in videos or share such things, you can also succeed just by showing products in a creative and interesting way.